Hi, this is Eric with Arvig Security, and today we're going to talk about the Arvig Medical Alert Line. This product is great for people that are looking to live at home independently and still have immediate response to emergency services. So today we're going to go over a few of the devices that are needed to make this happen. And the most important thing is our pendant, and we'll talk about this right away. This is 100% waterproof. So if you do need to, wear this into the shower or wash some dishes or do some gardening, it's perfectly fine to use in any outdoor environment or any water situation. So 100% waterproof. It can be worn two different ways. It can be worn as around your wrist, like a bracelet or a watch. And it does have some Velcro material on it, so it is very expandable and very comfortable to wear. Or it can be used or worn around your neck with this adjustable lanyard. Wearing it around the wrist, I think, is typically the better way to go, just because it's always on you. You can wear it around the wrist when you go to sleep. If you wear the lanyard, you most likely are going to take that off and leave it beside the bed, and in case you happen to get up and not put it on you, it's best to always keep it on you, so we do prefer the wrist. So in case that you do need help, what you do is you just press this little button right here, and the little red light will light up. Okay, that sends a signal to the communicator. This is our communicator. It's a two-way voice communicator, and you can also press the emergency button on the communicator itself. So if you don't happen to have the pendant on you, you can get to the communicator and press this, and that will dial out to the monitoring company also. When you do dial out to the monitoring company, one of the nice people at the monitoring company is going to come over and speak to you and ask you if everything's all right. In case that everything's not all right, you would tell them that you need help. They would go directly to your call-out list and dispatch emergency services and get somebody there to help you out. Okay? A couple of the common questions about the system is that how far away from my house can I be for the pendant to work? And typically there's no exact number that fits that, but what we would do is we do test the device around the home, walk down the block a little bit, maybe out in the garden, check everything out and see how far it does communicate, so that you know how far you can leave the property and still be able to communicate back to the medical alert line. Let's take a little closer look at the two-way voice communicator. Again, we had talked about the emergency button here, so this can be pressed in case that you do not have your pendant on you. This is the speaker here. It's very loud, so throughout your home you're going to be able to hear that the device is going off, or if that is somebody is speaking to you. Okay, so in case, one of the things that you always want to look at is that your power light is on, and then if you do hit the emergency button, that your sending light is flashing. That's telling you that the communication is happening between the communicator and the monitoring company. Or in case there is a false alarm, you can just hit clear, and that will stop the communication. Okay. There is also a battery backup in the device, and that battery does last for around 32 hours. So in case there is a lightning storm or something that knocks out power, the system will still be communicating. Okay. It is powered directly into an outlet, so it's just very easy plug and play. Our medical alert line is very affordable. Monthly monitoring is $29.95, and you can feel free to contact us at 888-99-ARVIG or at arvig.com, or feel free to stop in at any Arvig store.